Hello everyone, it's Shipt Shopper Ashley here, and it's that time of year where you have to enroll for health insurance. So I thought I'd go through the Shipt Perks program. This is how I got health insurance for the first time last year. So through Shipt Perks, there's a company called Health Sherpa, and they connect you to the marketplace. They have really easy application process that I found very helpful. So a few things before we get started that you'll kind of want to know of. There's all these crazy words that get thrown around. If you're getting health insurance for the first time, you'll kind of want to know. So the monthly price that you will pay for health insurance is called the premium. And a lot of times they will give you kind of a discount credits, so you don't have to pay the full price because it is absolutely ridiculous. And so then you also have something called your deductible. Now, this can be anywhere from $0 to thousands of dollars, and this is typically the amount you have to meet before you start getting more benefits from your health insurance. So with Health Sherpa last year, I paid $121 a month. That was my premium, and my deductible was $400. So I met that about August. I was going to the chiropractor very, very frequently for neck and back problems. So with that plan, I got 30 visits. Might have been considered short-term rehab. And so after I met my deductible of $400, those payments each time I went to the chiropractor went down from $30 to $7. So that's pretty great until I used up all 30 of my visits, and then it goes up to full price. So that's part of the balance between, like, is health insurance even worth it? Because if you're paying monthly and they'll only cover so much, then you're paying the same amount if you have insurance or not. So that's kind of where you have to keep in mind your deductible. So if your deductible is, over $1,000, like, you might not be getting good benefits, and you might not even meet half your deductible if, you're a single person that maybe just goes for checkups and whatnot. If there's no penalty on not having health insurance, that's why a lot of people don't. And just to kind of clue you in to this fun, messed up system we're working within today. So the easiest way to begin is to go to your email and search Shipt HQ. You'll see the sign up for shopper perks. So we're going to need our email associated with our shopper account and the last name on our shopper profile. So once we click Get Started and then we log in, this is what the home page looks like. So when we click Shop and Offers, we're going to see all the categories Shipt has partners for us with. And I'm going to go over the health insurance last. So let's see what we've got here. I'm going to start with the Financial Planning tab. So we've got Bright Dime. No matter what your financial situation or goals, Bright Dime can help you get there. I guess it's a membership. Or Common Bond. Refinancing is your chance to start fresh with one loan that can help you save long-term and pay each month, and a cash bonus when you finance. Well, that can help if anyone is dealing with loans or debt. Liberty Mutual is the partner for auto insurance. And if you look under Auto, Boat, and RV, you won't actually find the Liberty Mutual auto insurance, but you will find boat insurance and RV insurance through Liberty Mutual. So we also have Health Car, your new vehicle breakdown coverage. One low monthly fee takes headache and expense away when the unexpected happens. We've got NTB, tire and auto service savings, Jiffy Lube, I guess for discounts. And we've got Avis and Budget for car rentals. That can be pretty helpful. So let's see what else we've got. Home and renter insurance through Liberty Mutual, good for condos, homes, other renters, and toggle unique add-on options like pet parent coverage, side hustle coverage, and credit lift. Interesting. Farmers. Oh, that was farmers? Like, I guess farmers is different than State Farm, right? Something like that. But that could be very helpful. It's definitely like bundling home and auto can be good. Let's see what's under the lifestyle. We've got Hurdle. Automatically tracks all of your mileage, expenses, income streams, and tax deductions in real time. So I guess that's kind of like QuickBooks is what a lot of small businesses, self-employed people use. Or I use Stride, that is a free app, and I use that in addition to some just Excel spreadsheets. And what we got? Nift is sushi, chocolates, makeup, flowers, steak, beer. What will you choose? Businesses you like to try, and Nift matches you with a gift to your next favorite place to eat, play, or shop. That's weird. We also have Shop Runner, the best way to shop online. For a free Shop Runner membership. Okay. Let's see. Student debt solution is... Oh no, that's just a weird logo. Okay, so they have Future Fuel to crush student debt. Find forgiveness options, save thousands via federal or payment plans, sweep spare change into student debt, and direct up to 30% cash back from everyday purchases to your student debt. Okay, that'd be very helpful if you're struggling with that. So it looks like they also have this category, My Medical Images. I guess they decided it needs its own category outside of health and medical. Manage a lifetime of MRI, CTs, X-rays, and quality images. This could be good for a fairly specific group of people, right? If you're going through something, take whatever you can get for free. Now let's jump into the health and medical tab. Okay, this wasn't exactly what I was expecting. We've got Cabinet, expertly curated over-the-counter medicine kits and individual products that help you be prepared for what you can't predict. Script Saver, okay. Doctor on Demand, the leader in compassionate virtual care, United Healthcare. See if you cover for the Affordable Care Act, short term, or other. So looking here at short-term plans, you can get low monthly payments, but these are ridiculously high deductibles. If we switch to lowest deductible, they've still got 1,000 as the lowest. And if you want to see about the benefits in their brochure, you get a nice long 18-page document. The other problem with short-term plans is that they traditionally cover less than health insurance. When I clicked over here to hospital and doctor, it says right in the middle, designed to work with your main insurance plan. So I'm guessing this United Healthcare isn't actually very helpful insurance. I don't know what happened to Health Sherpa. I did try reaching out to both Health Sherpa and sent an email to Shipt, but we know those can take a long time to respond to. So I really don't have any answers here for you today. The email I got this year was from Health Sherpa and not even from Shipt, but right, it says we've teamed up with Shipt. So I logged into my account, and I don't get much of a view. It seems like it's a very limited account. I can't refer anybody. Looking at like the main Health Sherpa page, you can't just sign up. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. So I'll email Shipt and see if I get a response, and I'll just plug in my information and give you some ideas on what health insurance out there might look like. So you can see they're offering some low premium plans with extremely high deductibles versus I made this switch to lowest deductible. And we're seeing $60 doctor visits, $30 doctor visit, or $7 more a month is going to be a better deal. But an $8,000 maximum out of pocket could really hurt you if anything were to happen. You can always switch if you have a certain doctor you're looking to stay within their network of. I did look at Priority Health, and the deals were not quite as good as last year, but definitely in the silver category, I've seen the best deals with balance between low premiums and decently met deductibles. Because with Priority Health, they will typically reduce your charge to only 20% of the bill after you meet your deductible. So I was curious about a $0 deductible plan. I'm going to check it out here. Right, very low doctor visits, not bad with these other things, but you are going to be paying the same amount before and after, obviously. So 40% of the bill you will pay. And then these are the things that are covered. Usually a lot of screenings and such. You'll want to look at the summaries of benefit documents. They'll all look slightly different from provider to provider, but it'll give you an idea of what you can expect to pay for things, what you can expect will be covered under this plan. So basically with this $0 deductible plan, you'll be paying anywhere from 40 to 50% of the bill. And there are services that are not included. Typically, this is dental and vision, and there will be a list of services where exclusions apply. You'll typically get a credit limit that you can use for discounts on these services, such as the chiropractor. For this Priority Health plan with a low deductible, you will pay full price for services until your deductible is met, and then you'll only pay 20% of the bill. Unless otherwise noted, they can put a set amount for hospital stays and things like that. And for Total Health, which you have probably seen the commercials, they advertise really low prices, but the deductibles are a bit higher than I would like to be paying. And so looking at the details here, you will have to pay that deductible, but then you only have to pay 10% of the bill. So is it worth it to pay more upfront for a discount later, or pay half as much for less of a discount sooner? And this is where I switched to looking for plans for 2 people. The prices got really ridiculous. There wasn't much under $300 a month. That same plan I was looking at for one person for $128 is now $400. So it definitely looks like if you are not married, you're better off having separate insurance. We spent way too much time trying to justify the cost of having it together, as it would be simpler, but ultimately did not make a decision yet. So I'll update you guys if I hear anything, if I can get you pointed in the direction of Health Sherpa. That was my ultimate goal with this video. That did not work out, unfortunately. So good luck to everybody out there trying to get health insurance. And as always, thank you for watching, and you can check out more videos about Shipt.